Hi there, this is Gary Wales, and I just want to show you exactly what is happening right now. And this is the Beast of Turin. My salute to that great car. This is Cara, and she is our little model. Isn't she beautiful? Anyhow, I want to show you what we're doing and why it is completely mocked up. Okay, this is my salute to the Beast of Turin, and what we're doing here is getting it ready for Fireball Tim, who is doing the color book for it, and I want to just get it all set up so he can get an idea of what it's going to look like, because it's going to be in the coloring book. This is my favorite car in the entire world. This is the Beast of Turin. And here it is. Let me give you a little shot of it and coming down here on it. It really is fantastic. And I just want to show you all the different things that we're doing to it to make this into a very special car. And it's very special with Cara in it. Look at that. This is my interpretation of the original Beast of Turin. So anyway, Fireball will be doing this one tomorrow, which is Monday the 21st. And he will be doing the stick drawing of it, so it will be made for the coloring book. And I just want to show you exactly what it's going to look like at this moment in cardboard. However, how it's going to really look, I don't know. It hasn't told me yet. I speak to my cars and they speak to me. You can see some of the little bitty guts that I put onto it. My salute. And I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. So I do enjoy it very much. This is my passion. And I love to share my crazy passion with all of my friends and show you how it's coming along as we come along. Isn't this wonderful? I want to tell you, this is really a very large car. The original picture of it shows it with about 15 people in the car and sitting around the car, and they're all just the top of their heads. The top of their heads wouldn't even show in this one. This one is incredibly large. It's 14 liters, 900 cubic inches, 6-cylinder, 24 plugs, and it is going to be a wonderful, wonderful car just to have fun with so people can see it. And there it is, the Beast of Turin.